Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll help you solve the problem if you are not being able to initiate call on your WhatsApp and iPhone. So let's begin. For this, what you have to do is simply go to the settings and see if you are having a very stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. The next thing that you have to make sure is that your device is not connected to any VPN. The third thing that you can do is simply go to the general, click on iPhone storage and search for the WhatsApp app. To find the WhatsApp apps, you have to wait for a while and then the list of apps will appear there. Click on WhatsApp app, tap on offload app option, and again after a while you will see reinstall app option, tap on it. This will help clean all the junk that is there in your app. The third thing that you can do is go to the App Store, search for the WhatsApp app and see if there is any latest version of your WhatsApp app to be updated. If yes, then simply update your app to the latest version. After following all the steps, again go to the settings and go to general, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and tap on reset all settings. Once you follow all these steps, you are likely to fix the problem. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good time.